make vegetarian pizza sauce.
The ingredients needed are minced garlic, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, chopped capsicum, olive oil, parsley, basil, oregano, red chili powder, salt, black pepper, red chili flakes.
Put 3 tablespoons of oil in the pan you're gonna use and bring it to warm. After the oil is warm, add minced garlic. Remember to keep the heat at low beam. Now add onions. The onions till they are golden brown. Now add the capsicum. Now add the tomatoes. Heat a little while stirring. Add salt,
Black pepper,
and some red chili. Now stir it well. Minutes, add parsley for flavor. Oregano. Fresh, then that's better. But otherwise, the dried herbs also work. Stir it well for 1 or 2 minutes, and our pizza sauce is ready. That smells so good. Now you can either add it on pizza base, bread, or just eat it with nachos.